Hello everybody. I figured I'd do another video of what I've been working on past couple of days and how everything's coming together. So yes, so I've been focusing on getting this side done. I just finished building this little kit right here. I built that kit the other day and this one as well. This is going to become my doctor's office. And it's pretty much going to go right there. I'm going to have a parking space right here, as you can see from the whatever. Anyway, the driveway entrance. So over here on Sarah's garage, pretty much how it's going to go. Right next to it is Camerat Customs. I got to find me like a really sweet looking car to be putting out there, like their latest work that just come out. I haven't finished putting down the roads down here yet, getting them, piecing them. But I've got to finish the parking lot here. All the sidewalks right here are just kind of haphazardly just in, just to see how it's going to go. These two pieces are not glued in yet. Over here, this road is pretty much, I'm not sure if I think I'm going to make it keep going. And I think at some point in time, I don't know. I want it to like go over, like right here, this is how low this is going to be. So I think right here, it's actually going to come like this. That means I got to get rid of that. Because I'm going to put another house here. And I don't know if I'm going to keep that house here. I asked people's opinion. Should I have that house here? Or should I have that house right here at the end of the so-called dead end and have the cars parked on the side? What do y'all think? I'm thinking about buying one more small house kit like this for either this spot or this spot. These houses, I'm not sure. I don't know if I'm going to go there or I'm going to put them somewhere else. I mean, I have my trailer parked, but I'm not going to put it right here yet. I also have another kit. I got to build a little mini industrial kit. I may build it and put this right here next to this. Like maybe like this side of the tracks are still somewhat industrial, and maybe the quote residential side is over here. I'm not sure. So we're getting there. And as I said before, nobody's noticed, I'm not really doing any more track laying until after Christmas, because I got to go through this godforsaken mess, reorganize it. Then I can go back and finish putting all my wood and building the layout part in here. Then I can go ahead and start going that way, as well as going through and finishing that way. But this is going to be a process. So, anyway, I just figured I'd share this. And happy Monroe Roadie. And peace out.